Oh, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Flappy Bird game, and this is part, what is it, part 6? I hope you enjoyed part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. Part 5 was typically only bug fixing, like I added this grounder trail stop whenever I lose, added some sounds, added a better pole and all. So yeah, now let's move on with the other code. Today I'm gonna be making the score become some other number. As Flappy Bird game is hard, they can only pass a limited score. Otherwise, if it's easy, then no. So to do that, I have some score costumes in my backpack. So if you want these costumes, link in the description box below. I have all of the costumes which I use in the link. It's a project. It is a asset set. Yeah, from will start from 0 to 1. Oh, to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, sorry, did I do some mistake in that? 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we don't have to add 10 because 1 and 0 is known as 10. I'm going for the simplest method. It is not cloning. I'm not going to be cloning or doing any hype stuff. I'm just duplicating this about. If you want to make till 100, then 4 times you have to duplicate it. If you're 1000, then 5 times you have to duplicate it. So duplicate. I'm only going up to 100. So, oh, come on. 1, 2, 3. I only made till 10s. Duplicate. So as we got these now, let's just name them properly. This is ones. This is tens. This is, oh sorry, hundreds. Out. Then this is thousand. Nothing. Oh sorry. Uh, why am I not typing? Nothing. Nothing. Because nothing can remain anywhere. This is the nothing, so I can just put it around here. I can put it anywhere because I'm going to be hiding it. So ones over here, tens, hundreds. Okay, like this. So to take the number of the school, these are the 100, three numbers to 100. Yeah. Yeah. I can do that later, but yes. This is our sprites. One stands hundreds. I can change its size to 120, I guess. Yeah. 120. Oh. What are those step 5? 120. I didn't have to do that for that guy, but it's okay. So here are our numbers. I'll just put them closely. Alright. Let's begin with the code with the numbers. 4 minutes have been wasted for nothing. No coding yet done. So I want these two are good. So let's just hide this guy. So let's click. Now what we have to do is make something on the score. Means work on score. If you're putting till 4 numbers, then you need to add 4 numbers, which is still 1000. So let's do that quick. So like when flag clicked, we are gonna set our score to 1000. Where you had set your score to 0, this time it's gonna be 1000. Alright, then I don't think so I can set the highest score. I have to kind of think about that. I'll have to make two score variables. This will be named as score for counter, score for the counter, and I have to make another variable called score. Sorry. Yeah, for all sprites, so you have to remember. So we can hide score for counter, and we have to set our score to 0. Highest score I might work, but I don't think so I should. I'll do that later. A main thing is making a normal Flappy Bird game. So, as we hit this, let's start the code with nothing. So when flag click, we have to hide. Then after that, let's add a forever loop. Now we are gonna take our switch costume 2, not switch backdrop, but switch costume 2. Do not write any number, but in the starting you have to switch costume to 0. Yeah, but 0. And one thing, remember that your number names is according to the number, like 0 is 0, 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 4 is 4, 5 is 5, 6 is 6, 7 is 7, in all of these. Alright, switch costume 2. In the operators, we can find something letter 1 of apple. So if I'll say what is letter 1 of apple, A. So means the first letter. We don't need apple. We need our score for counter. Letter 1 of score for counter is, now let's see what is that, 0. 3. Score for counter, seriously, who changed the score for counter? 1000. Oh, sorry, yeah, it should have worked. Wait, where's the score for counter? Oh, we didn't yet set it. Okay, first, before you set that, just take your score for counter, click it once, now it's 1000. So, it's gonna switch costume to score of, let's just switch as 0. Then the letter 1 of score of counter will say 1. So we don't want that 1 interfering, that's why we hit this guy. Just like that, we're gonna do in the other ones. This is kind of getting a little long for just this much. Over here, we can see that we got this, but now we have to change it to 2. As we move on to hundreds, tens, and ones and all, you just have to minus, means add 1, means like 2. So it'll be 0, not 1. Yeah. Next, we just take this to tens, just add 3. Then we'll take this to ones. We'll add 4, as it's a 4-digit number. So let's hide score for counter and bring score on, but we are having that. So yeah, we can make a leaderboard list, but it's kinda boring. So awesome, but now you'll see that the number will change whenever we get past the poles. Yo, let's see, does 10 work? Come on, let's go. This is kinda easy. I can complete this whole map without running. One! Alright, this is not the easiest, I'll say. If you want to add in these type of backdrops and all, you can check out my bug fix tutorial. I even added stuff. It's not only bug fix. So yeah. Alright, let's get to 10. Alright, I'll only do not much. I'm trying to wasting time. I wasted about 2-3 minutes on this. It's so hard and takes the time. 9. And let's get that 10. Ooh, it works! Alright. Our code is perfect, that's what it says. Our backdrop should be a little higher because the ground is covering the dead bushes or bushes. Why am I saying dead bushes? Nah. So yeah. That is the tutorial for today. We converted these and now you can see it's 0 only. So yeah, nothing, and just name them appropriately, you'll get your code right. So today's video I wanted to keep it short, so bye bye.